Hi sir, my name is Gopal Rao Ambir. So I'm doing MSIT in IIIT Hyderabad. So today I would like to talk about my Snakes and Ladder project. So in this I have two videos. So in the first video I will talk about the PowerPoint, and in the second video I will show you how to play Snakes and Ladder game online. So here is my agenda. So first I will talk about objective of my project and what are the features and what are the softwares we require to run this project, and what are the and what and wh- and what are the different modules, and how the game execution will happen. And finally I conclude my presentation by saying what are the technologies that I used. So the main objective of my project is to play Snakes and Ladder game online. So this project will give us a clear picture on the J2EE technology, like how to use the JSP, like Java server, how to use the JSP Java server pages and Java servlets. So the main features of my projects are: I have created the simple markup pages. I have given more importance to heuristic principles, so rather than the animation or images. And this tool will support multi-users concurrently, means so more than one user can play a game at the same time. And we can run and also we can run this tool on different operating systems. And I have made a simple markup pages, so those pages will load on low bandwidth connection. And in order to use this tool, every user should be authenticated. For that I have provided the user authentication. So and also we can easy to back up the information by using MySQL. And also I provided the validation for the required fields. For that I have used the JavaScript. And also I am storing the user sessions, means every 6 minutes the user automatically logged out from his account. So in order to use this tool we need Windows or Linux operating OS, and also we need Java, and we need some servers like Tomcat, or else we can use IDEs like Eclipse. So the main features of my project are, here you'll have a board. So a board means a board can contain more than one client. So more than one client can play a same game at the same time. So here is the so here have here I have implemented different model. So first first means, in order to use this tool you have to create a user account. So for that you have to provide a registration, then you have to create a game, then you can ask your friends to join the game, then you and your friend can play the game. So here is the game execution. First we have to create a game, then we have to play a game, then the tool will show us who is the winner of that game. So to implement this project I have used all these technologies. So to create a markup pages I have used the HTML and cascading style sheets, and to provide a validation I have used the JavaScript. So XML, extensible markup language, to to transfer the data from one web page to another web page. And Ajax, a synchronized JavaScript and XML to get the instant information from the MySQL database. And I have used the JSP Java server pages and Java servlets. For the backend I have stored all the information in the MySQL database. Thank you sir.